Minus 3 plus 2 gives me minus 1. So these are the two factors. Minus 3 and 2. Minus 3 and 2. So I'll rewrite this. I'll say x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. This now has 4 terms which I can factorize. What is common here? X minus 3. What is common? Plus 2. X minus 3. X minus 3 is repeating. I write it once. X minus 3 factor of x plus 2. So those are the factors. So my final polynomial f of x will be equals to x minus 1 factor of x minus 3 factor of x plus 2. The long division method is better because the quotient may have no further linear factors. The trial-factor method is of limited use for if the polynomial contains repeated factors such as x minus 1 all square, or if there are less than expected number of factors, much time will be wasted using the method. Solve the equation f of x is equals to 2x cubed plus x squared minus 13x plus 6 is equals to 0. So just by inspection, this is a cubic equation, so you should have at most 3 roots. Now, how do we get the first root? So we can use the trial method. If we try x is equals to 1, what shall we have there? We're going to have f of 1 equals to 2 times 1 cubed plus 1 square minus 13 times 1 plus 6. This is equals to 2 plus 1 minus 13 plus 6. This gives us 3 plus 6 minus 13 is equals to 9 minus 13 equals to 4. So x minus 1 is not a factor. Let's try 2. I'll have f of 2 will be equals to 2 times 2 cubed plus 2 square minus 13 times 2 plus 6. This is equals to 2 times 8 plus 4 minus 26 plus 6. 2 times 8, that gives us 16 plus 4 minus 26 plus 6. This is equals to 16 plus 4 plus 6 minus 26. Add all of this gives us 26 minus 26, which is equals to 0. This therefore means that x minus 2 is a factor. So how do I get the other factors? I do long division. Divide by x minus 2. What do I multiply x to get 2x cubed? That should be 2x squared. 2x squared times x gives me 2x cubed. 2x squared times minus 2 gives me minus 4x squared. And subtract. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed 0. X squared minus 4x squared. That should be 5x squared. I bring down the other terms. Minus 13x plus 6. What do I multiply x to get 5x squared? That should be plus 5x. 5x times x gives me 5x squared. 5x times minus 2 gives me minus 10x, and then subtract. 5x squared minus 5x squared, that is 0. Minus 13x minus 10x, that should be minus minus becomes plus. That will give me minus 3x plus 6. What do I multiply x to get minus 3x? That should be minus 3. Minus 3 times x gives me minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 2 gives me plus 6. I subtract, that will be 0, 0. So here we are left with a quadratic. This is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Now, how do I factorize this? Two numbers, when multiplied, that is, the product is equals to a times c, which is equals to minus 6. The sum, it should be 5. So two numbers now when multiplied give us minus 6, and when added gives us 5. What are those two numbers? So I could have minus 6 times 1 or 1 times minus 6. Let's check the possibilities. If I say minus 6 plus 1, this doesn't give minus 5. So take out this one. 1 plus minus so what are the possibilities there? I could have minus 1 times 6 or 1 times minus 6. If I say minus 1 plus 6, that gives me 5. So this is the correct possibility, because 1 plus minus 6 gives us minus 5, and this is what is needed. So I'll use this to factorize. 2x squared minus x plus 6x minus 3. What is common here? X is common. So I'll have 2x minus 1 plus, what is common there? 3 is common. 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is repeating. So I'll write it once. 2x minus 1 factor of x plus 3. So our polynomial factorized completely, f of x will be equals to 2x minus 1 factor of x plus 3 factor of x minus 2. So if f of x equals to a, b, c is equals to 0, this implies that a is equals to 0